नमस्कार दोस्तों, we are studying compound sentence class 7 and it's a do it yourself exercise. So let's begin. Read the passage given below. There are some errors. Underline the error and write the correct word correction in the space provided. So this type of question is regularly asked in the examination, so you should pay attention to these exercises. So let's discuss about it. The Navy has changed its rules but is wrong here, and appointed and यहाँ लिख दीजिएगा and appointed 2 women to be in charge of warship. And look after 12 crew members. इससे हम लोग पढ़ते हैं Navy has changed its rules but appointed 2 women to be in charge of warship and look after 12 crew members. Both women are in their late 20s or have considerable, but you can write here but, so you write here but have considerable experience. There are now about 700 women at sea, but discussion are taking place. You can add here, there are now about 700 women at sea, so you can use here, so discussion are taking place as to whether they are to be allowed to serve on board submarines or here will be or and की जगह आप और लिखिएगा, or keep to the warships only. So here we move ahead. A 14-year-old boy has become the world's youngest millionaire but has made his money by selling motor cars. And you can write and also, and his customers are from all over the world. His success means he owns a huge bungalow, and that is not all. या but भी लगा सकते हैं यहाँ पे, but will be more correct, तो यहाँ पे आप but लगाइए. But that is not all. He owns a grand SUV and has his own chauffeur का मतलब personal driver, chauffeur, who drives him around, or a butler मतलब main cook होता है, butler who looks after his kitchen. The chauffeur who drives him around, and a butler, and यहाँ भी and होगा, who looks after his kitchen. Okay, so यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं होगा. So let's move ahead. Fill in the blanks with suitable words. He saw the boys fighting over the bicycle but did not approve of it. But you will use but here, but did not approve of it. He knew the fight would end up badly, so he was little surprised at what he saw. So you will write here, so Raghu was bully, but you write here but it was Ravi who was being so assertive. He wanted to end the fight, but he did not want to seem as if he were interfering. Should I stop them or write or here, or should I let them fight their own battle? He thought. Finally, he decided to intervene. He walked up to them and clapped his hands. They were taken aback and stared at him in surprise. Stop fighting at once, or here will be or I will call your parents, he warned. We are not fighting, said Raghu disgustedly. तो रघु ने कहा कि we are not fighting. So Ravi looked rather relieved to see him. So here the chapter ends. In the next video we will read phrases and clauses. Thank you.